So ano nga ba yung tamang stats na kailangan mong ilagay sa Dark Elf Wizard mo para ma-maximize mo yung prawn farming dito sa Armenes? Hey guys, this is BM and today pag-uusapan natin ngayon yung stat build at the same time yung mga sub-option stats na meron sa set natin para ma-maximize natin yung farming natin dito sa Dark Elf Wizard. Anyway guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding kay Rohan 2 Global. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon yung tamang sub-option stats, yung stat build, and at the same time, kung anong pet yung dapat yung gamitin dito sa Dark Elf Wizard. Now anyway, in terms of the pet, medyo wala kayong choice dyan kasi gacha yan guys. But what we can talk about are the things that you can control dito sa game na to. So anyway, huwag na natin patagalin at simulan na natin to guys. So number one is yung stat points. So saan nyo ba i-allocate yung stat points? So for Wizard guys, usually int talaga yung lalagyan nyo dyan, okay? Kumbaga lahat sa int nyo ilalagay. Ito yung Wizard, the reason why meron tayong Wiz stats dito, it is because of the passive na skill na meron tayo. Okay, but technically, kung wala tayong passive skill, wala tayong makukuha dito na Wiz na stats. So all in, puro int lang yung lalagyan nyo guys, okay? Kasi importante dito yung magical damage nyo. Dito magbe-base yung damage output nyo sa mga mobs dito sa Armenes. Alright? So, kung mapapansin nyo din dito guys, may sumasawsaw sa spot natin. So, kill muna natin siya. Okay, easy kill lang naman yan. Alright, so patay na. Anyway, in terms of the set, okay, if we're going to talk about the set, dito ang importante in terms of, let's say for example, sa weapon, dito guys, importante na meron kayong magical crit damage increase and magical crit rate. Now this one, hindi to perfect na stat guys. Dapat yung magical crit rate is at least 30%. Alright? Or maybe 31, 32. Pwede na yung ganon. Pero ito kasi medyo malapit na rin sa 30%. So, kinonsider ko na rin siya. Dahil sobrang hirap hanapin ng magic na stat. Okay, mahirap hanapin to guys. Magical crit damage increase and magical crit rate. Mahirap hanapin to dito sa game na to. Especially sa mga weapons. Okay? Kahit doon sa weapon natin sa Sage, nahirapan din tayong i-craft yun. Okay? Lumalabas lang yung magic crit damage increase and magic crit rate during the double drop item event. Okay? Which is tapos na. Alright? But anyway, we weren't able to get additional magical crit rate na magic yung stat, no? Usually magkaiba, so that's the reason why. But anyway, if you happen to get magic crit damage increase and magic crit rate na pula, okay, or legendary na sub-option, kunin nyo yun. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, yung granted option natin, increase skill power yung kinuha natin. Pwede namang magical crit rate yan, okay? Depende sa options to na makukuha nyo. May mga magical crit rate options naman dito. But anyway, yun na lang yung pinili natin kasi epic siya guys, okay? So that's the reason why yun yung naging choice natin. Alright, and maganda din yung nakuha natin guys, almost max stat yan. Alright, now let's talk about the set. Okay, in terms of the set guys, ito yung pagkakasunod-sunod. So for helmet, dapat ang kukunin nyo dyan is Magical Pen and MP Regeneration. Now, sobrang mana reliant si Wizard. So kailangan nyo talaga ng MP Regeneration dyan guys. Okay, Magical Penetration, kailangan nyo to guys para kunwari mataas yung resistance ng kalaban nyo, ng marionette, let's say for example, mapipenetrate nyo pa rin yung defensive nila. And you will be able to somehow 1 hit or 2 hits din. Okay? Anyway, patayin ulit natin to. So, naging sumukoy na si Kishaya pala. Okay? Namamatay-matay na lang siya dyan. So, yun yung importance ng Magical Pen dito in MP Regeneration. Since, kung mapapansin nyo, I'm not using mana potions, pero automatically, nagre-regen na yan ng 840 every time na mababawasan ako ng ganong kalaking mana. Okay? Now, in terms of the armor, okay, ang ating stats dyan or sub-option dyan would be reduce common monster damage and reduce boss damage. Now, dito pwede nyo rin namang ibahin. Kung ang priority nyo lang is AoE farming, you can either get reduce common monster damage or max HP. Okay, max HP and reduce common monster damage. Pwede yung alternative kung wala kayong mahanap ng ganitong stat. Pero ito kasi, kumbaga, magagamit nyo rin per boss hunts. Okay, let's say for example, you're going to participate in the boss hunts, then you can pretty much use this. Dahil somehow, hindi kayo masyadong mabibigyan ng damage ng boss if in any case mo na kayo yung tumatangke. Okay? Now, in terms of the bottom part, pwede yung physical pen resistance and magical pen resistance. Okay? Ito talaga yung kailangan nyo. Both of these are required, which means that you cannot change anything. Okay? So, kailangan magical and physical pen resistance yung stats niya. Alright? Sa granted option, kayo na bahala dyan kung anong gusto nyo ilagay. Pwedeng defense, pwedeng magical crit damage. Nasa sa inyo naman yan. Build nyo naman yan. But ang priority natin dito would be the defensive side. Ito kasi ang kulit. Patayin muna natin ito. Kaya patay na siya. Anyway, aside from that, in terms of the gloves, usually magical accuracy and max HP. Okay, kasi medyo maikli yung HP ng ating character. Kung mapapansin nyo, 17k lang yan. Alright, so that's the reason why kailangan natin ng max HP as a sub-option stat dito sa gloves. Okay, for magical accuracy naman, of course, para hindi kayo magbe-miss doon sa mga moves. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. And then, for the footwear or boots, physical EVA and magical EVA is the key. Okay, kailangan nyo rin to guys, no? Somehow, that's the reason why some of the mobs miss yung atake sa atin. It is because of the physical and magical EVA that we have. Okay? So, ganun siya kasimple. Now, we're gonna talk about yung accessories. Okay? So, sa accessory guys, very random lang yung mga stats nito. Hindi siya ganun kaganda. Okay? Pero, if you're going to select the stats, okay? Pwede nga gawin nyo, for the necklace, it's PvP depth, PvP accuracy, PvP EVA. Okay? And then, reduce MP consumption for the necklace itself. Then, for the others, ganun din. Kumbaga, dapat dito ang kuhanan yung stat would be PvP EVA pa rin. So, ito kasi guys, in-upgrade ko lang. Alright, just to make sure na merong set na magagamit yung ating Dark Elf Wizard. Okay? But anyway, if I'm going to replace this, dapat yung may PvP EVA, PvP Depth, or PvP Attack. Okay? Ganun yung stats na hinahanap natin. And we don't settle for greens or for blues. Okay? Usually, what we get is this one. Okay? So, in terms of where to get this, I'm gonna show it to you on the next video, guys. Magra-runs pa kami ng mga dungeons para makakuha nito. But anyway, I'm gonna show you multiple ways on where to actually get the Ancient accessories. Alright? So, dapat yun yung hanapin nyo. PvP depth, ito rin to, PvP accuracy, pero dapat pula. Okay? So, ito yung upgrade lang natin siya for the sake of, this video kasi wala pa ako nakukuha ng mga PvP depth or PvP accuracy na pula yung rarity. Alright? So, aside from this one, let's say for example, okay na yung stat, okay na yung set, ano pa yung ibang kailangan naming kunin? So, in terms of the costume, isang stat lang naman yung costume dyan for Legendary. Alright? But for the pets, meron kasing mga pet na specific for damage increase. So, kung meron kayong ganitong pet damage increase, pwede na to. Okay? Kung meron naman kayong pet to actually increase yung common monster damage, pwede din. Pwede rin tong magical crit rate. Okay? Kung sakaling wala kayo nitong damage increase. So, magandang din to para crit lang ng crit yung character nyo. Especially kung 100% naman yung magical crit rate nyo, automatic double na yung damage niya. Okay? But anyway, for pets, ganyan. So long as meron kayong damage increase, mas okay to. Okay? Now, in terms of the amount, dito magkakatalo kasi may mga pets na physical crit damage increase, may mga pets na magical damage increase. So, unfortunately, wala tayo ng magical. Yun sana yung gusto natin gamitin for this one, which is this. Okay, pero wala tayong magical kasi nga, yung main character natin dito is physical type. So, saktong-sakto sa atin tong Alteras. Okay? But anyway, ayun nga, so kung meron kayong pet na somewhat mas better compared dito sa pet na ginagamit nyo, or kung merong magical crit damage yun, mas maganda, or magical crit rate. Okay, so you have options naman to actually do in the game. Now sa emblem, sabi ko nga, ito, priority nyo, kunwari level 110 na kayo or 105 na kayo pataas. Priority nyo yung mga emblems na makakadagdag sa damage output nyo or skill power nyo. So ito, priority nyo na i-upgrade itong dalawang to. But also don't forget the protection emblem kasi these three are the most important stats here. Lalo na kung PvE lang naman kayo. This one, kung hindi naman kayo mag-PvP, you don't actually need to upgrade this. Okay? Pero ito yung pinaka-priority nyo. Itong tatlo. Okay? So ito medyo mahirap i-upgrade to. Lagi ako nababasagan dito. But anyway, that's kind of like how it is. So ito yung tatlo yung i-priority nyo, guys. Okay? Now, aside from that, kung meron man kayong mga questions regarding sa kung saan mag-i-spot or saan makaka-farm, usually kapag dito sa spot na ito, makakuha kayo ng mga items. Pero very, very random yan, guys. Yung makukuha nyong stats, very random. Hindi siya yung guaranteed na maganda yung stats agad na makukuha nyo. So, yun lang naman yung gusto kong sabihin. Katulad nito, medyo pangit yung stats niya. So, automatic yan, dinidismantle na natin yan, guys. So, dismantle natin. Okay. Dismantle tayo ng mga items. So, ito mga na-loot natin just right now. Okay, so kapag mga ganyang stats guys, usually tinatapon na natin yan. O hindi na natin kinikip sa inventory kasi takaw sa space yan guys. So, dismantle. So, all goods na. Alright, so pretty much that's it. Alright, so patayin muna natin itong dalawang to. Kasi lagi na sumasaw sa spot natin to si Watson eh. Ulit to si Watson. Ayan, so patayin na si Watson. Si Kishiya naman. Okay, bago tayo malis. Anyway, yun na naman guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. And if you do have any other question, feel free to comment down below. Kung may mga questions kayo regarding sa item build and also sa kung anong yung gagamitin. Actually, nandito naman lahat sa video. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Again, this is BM and peace out.